Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z900 Supersport. This upright sport bike, inline 4-cylinder, 900 cc's of performance, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This one's got some really cool upgrades, including the mirrors, smoke windscreen, an awesome sounding SC Project exhaust, fender eliminator, only 16,000 miles on this gorgeous metallic sparkle black Z900. Come on by, check it out. It's got ABS brakes, loads of performance, price to sell just $67.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.